Hey you guys, hope you're all doing good in YouTube land. Got the big old XR. How's that look for a view? Not bad, hey? We're gonna head up into the hills, get a few shots, have some fun. Got the big red bike. Beautiful sights to see. Let's have some fun on this old beast. This is gonna be a fun one. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, wow. Let's go. Let's go. Thought we'd do a little trials riding with the 650L here. LOL. Actually, I used to come in here with my trials bike. Look at this beautiful spot right over here. Look, beautiful stuff, hey? I used to play on these round rocks all the time. Pretty cool. It's perfect area. There's all kinds of rock like this hiding all over the place. Right on, cool.
I can feel it calling, caught inside a wave. Save yourself, get out of here, 'cause I won't turn around away. Chasing through the color, there's something in the water now.
One of my favorite times to ride is early spring like this, you guys, because the grass is all still laying down, so you can see all the boulders. Curious how the mic's gonna sound, because I had this, well, depending when you guys see this video, probably be a week or 2 weeks ago, I tried the mic on the 1090 and it was a little close to my nose, like you could hear my breath, and then it wasn't in a very good spot, so I might have to come up with another plan, but I moved it around, so hopefully it sounds better. So today's video, you guys, is kind of more for the new subscribers. I'm taking you guys up, well, I'm hoping that there's no snow above here too much. I'm taking you guys up to one of the nicest lookouts in my area. It's absolutely unbelievable. So right on, let's give her up there. It's quite an early little steep hill to get up, so hopefully there's no snow. You guys check out this massive tree. Oh my goodness, someone stole my massive tree. Probably made, oh no, maybe that's how it was. That was a big one back in the day there. Oh, my little pile of logs. I used to hop up on my KTM 300. Here, I'll post a picture up and you guys can see some. I took some really awesome shots on that little log, or big log I should say. Okay, buckle up you guys, this one's fun. Oh boy, trees everywhere, hey? Wheelie into it. Oh! I'll be curious how the wind is. I like to ride with my visor open a lot, but probably sounds way better when I do that, doesn't it? Oh yeah, this is not looking good, is it? Not looking good at all. in the shady areas, hey? Oh boy. We might get lucky out on the bluff out here. Oh yeah, it looks bare-ish. Okay, should we lug her up or pin it? Just lug her up. I like to use that, you know, weight of the engine. It's remarkable where bikes will climb without momentum. If you got a decent tire on there. You guys are going to see something now. For the new people anyway. That's getting better. Whoa, another tree down on my trail. Someone cut that down. How does that grab you guys? Not terrible, right? You guys see the colors in the lakes down there? Beautiful. Let's go up to the other lookout right up here. Kids like to party around here. I mean, I did when I was young, so I get it. It's always lots of nails and stuff like that. Okay, the view to end all views. Ta-da! I'd say magnificent. Right on, you guys. That's going to do it for me. Hope you guys enjoy some of those fun little clips. Sights and sounds from the big XR. I am going to go have my already made lunch. I got a sandwich today, and that is going to be delicious up here. One of my other favorite little sneaky lookouts. Let me know what you guys think of these videos. Any ideas for more videos, just drop them below in the comments. Yeehaw! I'm gonna enjoy a yummy sandwich. Sandwich with a view. Right on, you guys. Hit that, drop that, blah blah. You know how that story goes. I will see you guys on the next one. Right on. Another fun RC spot. I'm gonna bring my RCs here soon. I'm gonna deal with this view. I guess I have to. Oh, I'll lose the bike almost.